Are you looking for how to add shortcut on Samsung phone? Then keep watching. So now open the settings, click on the settings, tap on the general management, tap on the Samsung keyboard setting, and now tap on the shortcuts. Tap on this plus icon. So type something short and easy, for example CC. And now head to the Google to copy the send symbol, for example. So copy the send symbol, back on the text shortcuts, long press and paste it. Now click add. And now type CC. Your keyboard will either automatically change it to CC or show the symbol in the middle of the prediction bar for you to tap it. So this way you don't have to switch to the 1, 2, 3 menu ever again. It's actually faster than long pressing keys once you get used to the shortcut. So this works across every app on your phone, not just in your browser or notes. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.